why I found my way into choreography is because I do really recognize that movement and making stories through movement is the way that I can access a more complex and nuanced conversation around difficult ideas. So I think as human beings, especially living today, we are confronted with a lot of really difficult questions every day of our lives. And for me, movement is a thing that allows me to access a more nuanced way of dealing with them. What's so wonderful about this residency is you don't have to narrow down to only exploring one idea. Sometimes with the stress of not having enough time and space and resources, you sort of feel like, okay, I need to do the thing that's happening next and work on that idea for that show that's coming up. But here, because we have 2 separate weeks to work in this particular residency that I did, I was able to say, okay, well, I'm gonna allot this amount of time to do this idea, and then a certain amount of time for another idea, and then, you know what, I have this thing coming up in 2021, I'm just gonna start working on the seeds of that idea. The benefit of having 2 different kinds of weeks to work with the same dancers in Dance Lab is that we have 1 week in New York where everyone's kind of in their regular flow. That's when I generated ideas. And then the week in Pocantico, everyone is detached from any other distraction, and we can really focus, me as a choreographer and the dancers as well, we can just really be like attentive to the task at hand, which is to work on these new choreographic ideas. This opportunity to just have space and time that's really just about you as a choreographer, exploring yourself and your artist life is a big privilege, and it allows you to kind of flip the script to just say like, okay, if I didn't have to produce anything, what in my wildest dreams would I want to work on?